What's up guys, my name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing and the Detailing Workshop. Guys, I have a super exciting announcement for you. As you know, we have the Detailing Workshop here at our facility in Chesterfield, Virginia, which is just outside of Richmond. Here we offer one-on-one training and we can offer either one day or multiple days. I'm happy to announce the Northeast Division Detailing Workshop. So Gabe Fletcher, owner of Total Detailing, is opening up his huge shop for the Detailing Workshop. And we're opening it up to 5 students. So this is still going to be a small class. However, we're going to have 4 trainers. Myself, Gabe Fletcher, who is also going to be training guys on the Detailing 3.0 system that he has developed. That is more into the business and the SEO and the marketing side of it. Now we also have Jason from Koch Chemie and Brian from Apex Detailing. Yeah, so there's going to be 4 trainers, 5 students. It's going to be epic. Guys, it's going to be 3 days, October 13th to the 15th of this year, 2021. Check out the links down below. If you want to sign up for this 3-day class, you can do that, and all the information will be there. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I will have my personal email and my phone number down there, as well as Gabe Fletcher's. That way you can call either of us to set up your days and choose what you want to do. Now, this 3 days of training is going to include a lot of information, from basic stuff all the way to advanced, including marketing, SEO, the business of detailing, all of that and more. So we're going to try to do this on a quarterly basis. Every 3 to 4 months, we're going to be holding a 5-student class, maybe more, depending on how this works out. So I'm really excited to offer this new Detailing Workshop Northeast Division. So I hope you guys can sign up. Again, ask any questions, and we'll hope to see you there.